for Asemno Anya Ayasem Kwame A+ blast Ashanti Youth Association for their attacks on Dag Heward Mills. And then what has been saying is Omom press conference now no Juadano na Omo Kase or said Dag ebe apologize ma Otumfo no or say Sancrofo no Sebi Omi en Kwasia for Omi Jimmy na Kwame A+ and podi 1-2 Sebi or say Omi en Kwasia for Omo Jimmy Epa Omo Nyansa. They have all the strength and energy on to me a call for development for Asanteman and Kumasi, but then they rather choose to channel it to call out Bishop Dag Heward Mills over comments he made about the Asante Hene Otumfo or say to Abrana Dag can Sembi say what will be Nana Asante Hene's legacy when he is no more. When Ashanti Youth for no or more lightly they decided to hold a press conference and no more kase on Bekwako shit Dag Heward Mills and sorry na ewo Kumasi Kromano when Kwame A+ and zo abetu to be amani omuye pa enye asem kuma ye Bekwako tie Kwame A+ Bekwako hwe sa video no na answer na no me kai mo say Sky One hideout apartment and also masnia medjumedi Brelmo Sky One say bro omo so you do you need that comfort, relaxation and luxury? Do you want to go away for the weekend? Do you want to spend some time alone or with your family? All you have to do is to contact the numbers on your screen and get talking to Sky One. Sky One or soccer buying or that's so at bibi and so kama amao. They have beautiful rooms, luxurious apartments. It's a comforting environment. All you have to do is to call the numbers as I said early on. Yankotie Kwame A+ Abrana or say omom koye sa press conference no omo Jimmy pa omo nim nyansa ba kompo.
Can caption no na share video no person can say video can caption no onim me nko tena aburuchire me nko gina ayi togo my videos ade bia me video me can say me Kwame A+ me Kwame A+ me nko gina afra wopo asama ka tro say wajimi amaka say wajimi me no mutena haya me no mutena haya wajimi anu maka tro say wajimi wo haya me nko dodge me zero me nko gina baby aburuchire for them me support you because krom han wonya kasape na we hwehwew na we becho na we beyesi eti no nyame adom na yenya aburuchirefo no mu bieja nyame nsira aburuchirefo na mu bieja ni nyina mu bieja ngu omo so nyame nsira mu nyina one by one aburuchirefo na mu bieja no me support mu bieja ngu omo nyina mu bieja ngu omo so ba me Kwame A+ me no mo beta kroma wajimi anu macha anu makato so wajimi me nsuro me koba bia o man na ya wodia untumi ya me hu ena mi wu aminkosi nsama kwan mi wu a wo bewu bi mi nsuro bia difference na wo no me no taya na makachiro ena mi hu anim so a me fro no me ka ze mi video yi mi mudi am abodi sa wo wajimi enti na me ka je nkofo bi so mo ajimi enti say nkofo bi akoye press conference omukoye press conference and say ayi osofo Dag Heward Mills wa ka bibia tie otumfo nti omukoye press conference we share video no na me kama adwenchero omo ne nkofie we ga say be stra krom ha suro me nsuro me catch those straight me nko bia me be live video me call me na mpesa mka say wajimi a me gina to ga kra me san ba Ghana na ma chiro bia me gina say wajimi me wa salam down one of my office wo wajimi na won ti ase abra me kan wo nsuro unim ni pa omo ye den wa Ghana me sumi nimbi o ko frɛ hwan ya mesumi ne mo bi wo ho me no mo ye boot for boot awo krom ha o me nko ba bia apu TB Joshua 57 o jina hwan no wu ye o afena metro me be suro da mewu abobo dam kra ena me tia ye hwe ayi social media ne ade a ye say Ashanti Youth akoye press conference say Dag Heward Mills aka bibia tie otumfo hwe mam ka se me chome otumfo me gu ne papa because Ghana ha ahemfo ni nyina enye otumfo a enke ye culture no agera otumfo na tumi ma modern friends Indomie generation no omo ti culture na ase so ye se otumfo ma me ewu na ahemfo ni nyina pie na ye nyom like Ghanaian culture who say it is a display even Rollins a year cry your friend is saying asantefo no mensiafo no ban who say yes because on my bi omunim culture bia no some my na your my papa inipa bi omunim where they are coming from no omuni culture no so say nipa no they are not going anywhere it me say no man na ya de bia me ka tron say mo bia nko otunfo asem because at least want me ya bibia obekuta baabi no no promote ho no education a fund your set abebo and the would munja otunfo no hold ho no na enkaifo no sin ye o ma de ne aka no ba mo Ashanti youth for no ya say Ashanti youth obi aka asem bia for otunfo ntenye mo de sa asem na nipa ka for otunfo ho no me so anya me de asem na nipa ka for otunfo ho no me so anya me de wu anya me de ba mo Ashanti youth for no mo ti Ghana ha mo kuro mo kwan ye mutumi ye press conference and can't aban say Kumasi kwan nyina ye muti ho mutumi can't aban say aban yen Ghana ha gold ye to Ashanti region ye kwan ye eno de ehia mo mensia the bebia otumfo wo this Erasmus as I don't call Love FM hospital na wo ho no ye de to social media nkofo say enye Ghana because a young nkofo won say sade tumo mensia government hospital now yi beto social media no in krebebia nipada in so turn egu hospital no mu mutumi ya press conference emfa pressure to aban so say aban ase wu sisi an dodo ase Kumasi ye hu ne akọ ase mu bu yan MPP ye to abama mo mobile ban mu a ye hu na mo ye man mutumi ya no ko transe okay press conference obi aka asem say do on krom onu na nsuo ni ho me na say do ma me be ye nsuo wo no school mu ho nsuo no ho me na me betu ye eno de mutumi ya press conference fix the country mutumi start mu own fix Kumasi fix Kumerica eno de ehia mo galam say kuma aye ansase e wa Ashanti region say nsuo na say ohine bi ko say nsuo mo otumfo tu no youth no mutumi mba together say Ashanti youth ye ntie mo obi amese ya asase ni ye nsuo ye anso ye nipa ye galamsey be mining wo ha nti ye pese ye mining ye kuro ni ye tu gold na ye de bi ema ayi aba etu ho ma aba na aba de ye kwan man ye ma Chinese form be for ya asase muti Kumasi youth ma Chinese voice ma afọ ma asase ase o nyina ade chebe trust be kuro mu ye nkwasi afọ kura ma me na me yesi mi suro apu me zero na mo ye press conference no asa me ni mu animu but me se da ni mu din kama mu din ba ko mo ye nkwasi afọ Jimmy. And Yamina with the Casabe, we ask after me back another way to replace Jimmy. Me zero, and I mean to cry. Because now reaching out there, or SBA 9 to mention and may catch it over Hayasa Jimmy. Unimiansa. Untiasia, woo. Untiasia, also better Facebook, nobody did my tembi. Or two for you, me hu se Ghana ha enkofo bebre otumfo kan ma adwen akere no na omunya kwan ti obi kana obi ko like no obi ko share no obi untumi didi otumfo atem you will never accept it untumi didi otumfo atem yenti ase but say na yenti ase no santi na ye ku se mimeten kran na da bia na me Kumasi kwa na bia to social media hwe Kumasi hwe Ashanti region hwe school dan hwe say mimeten kran na me yesa adwuma no e wo Facebook hwe school we hwe kwan ni ha hwe ha Uti Kumasi kwasie Jimmy for uti Kumasi wo de untumi nkantra aban se yepa John Mahama na besi ayi friends ayi kejeti market Kumasi why ye campaign ato aba MPP wo ba wo kwan nyina na nsem ba Kumasi kwan nyina tutu unya ba bi mfa ene de untumi nka untumi ye press conference Ashanti youth nya ba together na mo ye press conference aban ye ntiase a aban ba be ye nyoma bebre amamu untumi ye wotu ye to abawie ya na nkofo na Kumasi so mkosie John Mahama na osi ekejetia ebesi military hospital onwie ya no montumi ya press conference Akufo-Addo bewie military hospital no wotu ya kwaya press conference hwehwe numu ne jimie amunye obi ma ne nka nkyere mo jesa nkofo tu kwan anso mo akọ mo adwen akyere mo apu asa Ghana ha no wo boys am wo boys o bibia wo bia me wo bi eya bisa penifo na okuro ma me asamba me na efra mi o me na ebefra mi o me nsuro ka aka sa adwuma we ma 23 years ni kwa me plus me ni bebia me nan si o wo ya me hwe mfa me nsuro mo ya nkwasiafo ma ka kire o munim press conference ya mo nko kan kire aban so onye Kumasi kwan yie Kumasi town roads time mo tu men kan no munim press conference ya ko ka kire aban so mensia government hospital yen nie When we are gold in free, one or two for young hospital near my mania baby papa. When in press conference, yeah, ko ka tire aban se abanyen efi Accra to Kumasi kwan no yenye no double road magimi dodo President Kufuor start Accra to Kumasi kwan oye ya bedu suhu President Kufuor free so besi na ye ja kwan na to ho accident bia wo behu Kumasi bia no Kumasi kwan so bia no na eye bus ba ko ne bus ba ko omakusia adentia head-on collision. I didn't think I head-on collision every day because fine is so. And to back tifa one na beboom, na nipa 50 wu, na nipa say you. Moon to me here press conference abain. If you are to Kumasi there, young double road. Look at press conference. Yeah, yeah. What for you na you no. But mo Jimmy. Why Jimmy and the Trinity Jonas Council, where Jimmy catch a boni on Tiasis, a line of Trinity Jonas, you said, be yummy. Was my Jimmy, some catch a bonus and you Jimmy say on Tiasis. Bonnie bad at Tiasis, and what Jimmy say, or bad at Tiasis. One of the bigger maternity home, a champion seen 40 something years ago. Still, as you are in Syria, move to me, fix Kumasi, fix the country near the day, my buying your mamma, where press conference will be a cancel for 2 points in the press conference. Munina youth in Macam youth, Messi Ghana, how on, who pay with Jimmy, youth net Jimmy Champion for no. But want to make country, me say, Ghana Hana, your one. Youth na ho mu nyansa chen otumfo obe de hu nyansa chen otumfo di 60 70 say so abraye ni nyansa chen otumfo the wisdom na otumfo wono youth no mu obi youth na jimi Ghana ha ye de oman we ye de share youth na say Rollins be president we di 32 only youth na ye adwuma for so many years that we Ghana Rollins be president no we di 32 no we did 32 years. Only youth, no. You must have for 19 years. Na Ghana she youth, sir. Ghana yen one day. Africa said the youth must rise. The youth must take over. For 19 years, na youth in Ghana. Defense minister on your youth. Defense minister on your youth. Okuje to black on the only youth. Youth na Jimmy. To say Ashanti youth no go press conference no. Munim nyansa. What Jimmy. Kachiro won't yasia ko ye video ni be di matem na won tin ka se na ye plus no na ade cha mebe kumase utumi ye hu ade cha mebe kumase mo da Ashanti you ye to about 2016 me fin kan ba sanwase me na me gina sanwase when am be ye election observer me fin kan ba sanwase 2016 election if you me fin kan na me ba sanwase as observer me be monitor ba mananado and na be try say we you to abodam. Oh, we are youth, right? Bisa Lincoln, so they needed to, so they knew to na Lincoln could to any movie. Munina move for na youth are youth wine. May come at me natural. Ashanti youth. So morning press conference, yeah. Munya press conference, papa. Nina you. I dear didn't put to baby. We are seeing Yamu Baku say, Jimmy, one press conference, Mona may catch him with some Majimi. Men crowd men anyway I'm a catch the wedge me I'm going press conference no mo Jimmy tam mataba mo ka ho na mo press conference ni no mo start fix Kumasi at least some to me ye deda na Kumasi Accra kwan no ye no double road a da beboa na mo ndi Jimmy for na chi o mo Jimmy adam ye nyansa bi anim ma ka kirew wonti ase a wu. Bye bye.
Okay, so that was Kwame A+, and then with a lot of shots at the organizers of the press conference yesterday, calling out Bishop Dag Heward-Mills, the founder and of course General Overseer of the Lighthouse Chapel International. And then an upper way, if you are sure to be a man, Dag Heward-Mills here na enye asem ketua way na global edusafo what he say. And also say na obi beka Dag Heward-Mills asem na ewo if you are sure wa say bi women nya ewo HIV omuye albinos what you say there mixed race omuye albinos omu nintiti pa wona obeba bedidi Dag Heward-Mills atem obi a over 60 years asebi ne baby po feye pan sen wo wenim no oba bedidi Dag Heward-Mills atem wotutu bi amane efiahwa shepetin enye asem keto ebekwa akotie global edusafo na ansa na no mesa kai mo se Anas Boy Enterprise na waso me mu a mede dwumadi brem Anas Boy se brana so ye ope interior decoration, papa, ope POP, sealant, papa, ope POP fiber, papa, there. All you have to do is to contact Anas Boy on the numbers on the screen. Anas Boy say only si campo and your problem. You can pay 70% upfront. Or yeah, Jumani Mao now wow to me say yes, a Jumai dear, Akoye, Wakoma to Yambi, I kama now the 30% then so as on it. So for Anas Boy and in Juma, those are what I say. If you are shipping, Obi did that God knows atema and no one say, yo, Yankoti, Edusa for Emra.
You see, I just closed from church. Let me do everyone a favor. Share whatever Bishop Dakeward Mills said. Mimi Suadie. With respect to Otunfo Asantehene. A two guy no is exaggerating and making the thing look worse. I don't know if they have an issue with the man or because their platform discusses like a software. He's making it worse. Ship it to Yabaya. Dakeward Mills. What's 60 years? Or running one? You true mukura one for sale.
Okay, so that was Global Edusafua. If it is coming, it is doing Sana Midi kind. Asam no anya aya sem why biom na or did na no baba 2 signs from A+, of course, sending those shirts to the Ashanti Youth Association saying said they should call for development in the Ashanti region, and then they shouldn't be channeling their energies and strength into such things all the time, even though it's a good call because anyone so be Asanteni attempt there, but so to me, yes, I am aware then you should channel it into positivity and then developmental projects for Asante Mani. For Ghana page, subscribe to this channel, of course, on YouTube, Ghana page, follow us across social media, Facebook, GHP News, Instagram, GHP News, Twitter, GHPage_com. You can always visit our website, www.ghpage.com. My name is Gypsum. I remain your MC General. Away, guys.
Download Ladder Driver now. Ladder, your safest ride to your destination. Improve your life with Ladder Driver. Drive Ladder, live better. Download Ladder Driver now. Ladder, we drive you safely.